Look what I pulled out of my KTM exhaust. Okay, this will be kind of an experiment today. I have finished rebuilding my crashed KTM 1290 2021 and wanted to improve the sound. There are basically three options. Buy an aftermarket exhaust that is road legal, buy an aftermarket exhaust that is not road legal, modify the OEM exhaust. So let's go through all of these options briefly. When you want a road legal aftermarket exhaust, you have basically two options right now that are widely available in Europe for this model. Buying an Akrapovic would be around €1,500 and the sound that Akrapovic produces without removing the DB killer is pretty dull. I'm also not a fan of drilling out the €1,500 exhaust even when it's really easy. Buying a different brand like an Arrow, Sonora would be much cheaper but still kind of more expensive options from this list. You can remove DB killer, sound changes, and it's my number 2 choice. You can go even further in these two options, buy an aftermarket manifold, but they are crazy expensive. Buying an exhaust of a different brand like Dominator that is not road legal is the next option. I did this in the past when riding in Alps and Western Europe. I was always mounting OEM one because I didn't want to get into some trouble, so what's the point? Also, the Dominator exhaust comes with a manifold for this model and it's not that cheap anymore. The third option was to modify the OEM exhaust and it was kind of obvious choice for me. You can get used OEM exhaust on eBay for around €200, so if it goes wrong, it is still worth it. You can also find these videos of modifying OEM exhaust on YouTube and they are really great. Everyone is removing first two insertions, but the sound that it produces is not anywhere close to an aftermarket exhaust. The first two insertions, which are basically these two, comes out pretty easily. You just need to crush them so you can pull them off the other side. By crushing, I mean totally destroying them, as you see, just look at it. Let's have a listen. It sounds kind of like you put a Red Bull can on your exhaust. I don't like it very much, but you can go even further. There is a third barrier in the exhaust which is almost the same shape as DB killers from aftermarket exhaust. So I think this is one you are going for when you want it to sound like an aftermarket exhaust. No wonder nobody is pulling these out, they are incredibly hard to remove, but KTM has put a giant hole in the exhaust in which you can literally put your hand without any hesitation, so it is doable without disassembling the whole exhaust. And you know I had to try it. Okay, what will you need for this operation? 60 cm steel chisel, it's around €15. Big hammer that you have at your house somewhere. 60 cm steel rod when you will have to hold it on place from the other side. And that's all. Before we start, one friendly tip to anyone doing this. Get a huge heavy hammer, long rod, and this will sound weird, but bang the living hell out of it. Put something under it to prevent scratches, but don't even try to do it with small hammer. Just turn off your brain, downgrade yourself to caveman and do it. I was trying to get it out with a normal hammer. 2 hours later, no luck. Giant hammer, 10 bangs and it went straight out. This is the first one. It held on maybe 10 welds and with a bit of caveman precision I have torn them all away. This is the second one that is tricky because it has this thing that is blocking it from rotating inside the unit. Again, caveman procedures work well. This one was straight. The third one is one that no one pulls out. This is again held with maybe 10 welds which you can after the first two inserts cut out without any problems. But there are two rods that are basically preventing it from moving in general, but they are also held here by two welds. So caveman kicked in again and voila, they are out. Now the exhaust is basically hollow tube, so let's hear it. Okay, after riding around 50 kilometers, there is no engine light or anything. The sound is strong but not annoying, and the feeling from the engine is with this sound even stronger. Also, as I mentioned in other videos, I have received this used manifold for 60 euros. It's still out, obviously, and I will decide what to do with it later on. If you have some ideas, let me know. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe, comment if you like to ask something, and ride safe.